Good afternoon. I'm Erica Sargent.
And I'm Brad Edwards. Day 3, 23 hours of deliberations, still no verdict in the Kyle Rittenhouse trial. In fact, jurors went home for the day about 50 minutes ago.
We have team coverage of what's happening at the courthouse, including expert legal insight into what may be going on behind closed doors. We begin with our Charlie De Mar. He's been covering the trial since the beginning. Charlie, another day and no verdict.
Another day, no verdict, and as those jurors were being dismissed for the day, a female juror asked to take the jury instructions home for the night. The judge allowed it, but the defense, they did have some objections with it. They feared that that juror would be at home and overanalyzing this case. For the first time, we're getting a glimpse into the minds of the 12-person jury. These are the 5 handwritten questions they submitted to the court. Juror 54 identified as the presiding juror, but no question more critical during these 3 days of deliberations than their request to see this enhanced drone video.
We, the defense, has a real problem with them seeing the drone footage.
Kyle Rittenhouse's defense team asked for a mistrial Wednesday, claiming they never received a high-resolution copy of the drone video showing Rittenhouse shooting and killing Joseph Rosenbaum. The jury did see it during the trial.
Which is what this whole trial has been, is showing videos of the incident.
The state argues the new video is so important because Rittenhouse aims his AR-15 at other protesters and provokes Rosenbaum to chase him. If the jury sees the video the same way, Rittenhouse's claims of self-defense could fall apart. Rittenhouse shot a total of 3 people, killing 2 of them during a night of unrest in Kenosha in the summer of 2020.
I have instructed that no one from MSNBC News will be permitted in this building.
Today in court, Judge Bruce Schroeder said someone who identified himself as an employee of MSNBC followed the jurors' bus as they left court Wednesday. Kenosha police tweeting, police suspect this person was trying to photograph jurors.
That is a that's extremely serious matter, and will be referred to the proper authorities.
MSNBC responding, the freelancer never contacted or intended to contact the jurors during deliberations and never photographed or intended to photograph them. And Kenosha police also confirming that no photographs were ever taken of the jury and there was no security breach at any time. At the end of the day, Mark Richards, one of Kyle Rittenhouse's defense attorneys, he says this is the longest deliberation that he has ever had in his career as a defense trial attorney. He was also asked what he thinks is going on in that jury room right now. Obviously, it's anyone's guess, but he says based on the way that the jury returned for the end of the day, right before they were dismissed, they were sitting 6 and 6. So to him, he thinks that there may be a split in that number, 6 and 6. But again, anyone's guess of what's actually going on in that deliberation room. We are live in Kenosha, Wisconsin. Charlie De Mar, CBS 2 News. Brad and Erica.
A lot of quarterbacking going on. Thank you, Charlie.